Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip south on I-95, beginning in Sussex County, Virginia, just 20 miles from the North Carolina state line. I-95 has been reduced to 2 lanes and will remain as such all the way through the rest of Virginia, then North Carolina and South Carolina, only expanding back to 3 lanes once we hit the Georgia state line 400 miles ahead. We enter Greensville County, which had a population of 11,391 according to the 2020 census. Greensville was formed in 1781 from part of Brunswick County. As for the origin of the county's name, there's no clear answer. Some believe it was named for Sir Richard Grenville, leader of the 1585 Roanoke Island settlement. Others think it might honor Nathaniel Greene, a major general in the Continental Army and one of George Washington's top officers. Since the names are spelled differently, it's hard to say for sure. We enter the independent city of Emporia, which, although not part of Greensville County, serves as the county seat and shares a school system with the county. According to the 2020 census, Emporia had a population of 5,766, making it the 3rd least populous city in Virginia. The city is well known for being a major speed trap. U.S. Highway 58 runs east-west through Emporia, connecting with I-95 at exits 11A and B. We last saw US 58 back in Abingdon, Virginia, where it briefly shared pavement with US 11. cross into North Carolina, the 28th largest state by area and the 9th most populous in the country. As of 2024, the state's estimated population is just over 11 million. We're in Northampton County, which is part of the Roanoke Rapids Micropolitan Statistical Area. Northampton County had an estimated population of 16,713 as of 2023. After crossing the Roanoke River, we enter Roanoke Rapids, the main city of the Roanoke Rapids Micropolitan Statistical Area. It also serves as one of the anchor cities in the larger Rocky Mount, Wilson, Roanoke Rapids Combined Statistical Area, which had a total population of nearly 298,000 as of 2018. According to the 2020 census, Roanoke Rapids itself is home to about 15,200 residents. Originally founded as a mill town, Roanoke Rapids was once bustling with textile factories. One of the most notable figures is Crystal Lee Sutton, a worker and union organizer at the J.P. Stevens & Company Mill. Her efforts to improve labor conditions inspired the 1979 film Norma Rae. Over time, however, the city's textile industry collapsed, leading to the closure of all the mills and the loss of nearly 3,000 jobs. Today, Roanoke Rapids has shifted its industrial base and is now home to a West Rock paper manufacturing facility. We've also entered Halifax County, which had a population of 48,622 as of the 2020 census. We conclude today's video at North Carolina Mile 170. Thanks for watching. We'd like to thank our channel members listed on your screen and invite you to become a channel member too. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.